Cinematography drones have been a thing for a while now. As companies compete to make these drones cheaper, it becomes available to everyone. In fact, this video you're watching is shot on a cinematography drone. The audio is just recorded through a microphone attached to my ear right now. One concern with these drones is they can be used to spy on people. They can just zoom in and take pictures of credit card numbers or sensitive information. I'll be using the DJI Mini 2 to demonstrate how well this works, such as how well you can spy on people through the window. I'll be trying to read some numbers on my laptop through a window in my house, as shown here, conveniently placed facing the window. So now we're outside. We'll be trying to spy on my house now. My house is down that way.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, let's go. See if we can spot the number. I think I see something in there. Oh no, you can't see anything. We could bring the altitude down a little bit. Gonna start noticing a drone hovering over their house. This is all my house, so this is not creepy or anything. Just spy on my own house. 10 meters isn't even enough, so let's go down to 4 meters and 3 meters, and now we can see the numbers. 4114141414. So that's how low you have to be. There's no way somebody would see that in their backyard. Let's zoom out and get out of here. We got our sensitive information. Oh shoot, I think somebody noticed. What's going on? Is that the gun that he has? I think he walked this way. Oh shoot, he actually has a gun.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Wow, as you can see, drones are so great at spying. We literally got the 14141414 number that was on my computer screen, which was really a lot bigger than what the typical credit card number looks like. But we got the number. My second concern will be, since all these drones are getting more and more, one right here, would the noise level increase in the skies if everyone just started flying drones all of a sudden? The skies would become loud, and once again I'll demonstrate and compare to modern machines that humans usually use, for example cars and planes. Here the drone is flying at 20 meters in altitude. We'll be comparing to motorcycle and cars. The drone is now flying at 40 meters. We'll compare with a plane. Now at 120 meters, this will be compared to a helicopter. Now the drone definitely sounded a lot louder compared to these vehicles. Another concern is flight time. I asked a few of my friends to tell me about how long they think the drone can fly for, and here's the results. Once again, we will be testing how long the drone can fly for, but we can also do some research online. The easiest way to find the flight time is just go on the company's website. Just to generalize the flight time estimates, I searched on Google and found the average drone flight time. So here we have the setup of the drone flying and using the timer on the bottom to track how much time we're flying. Oof, I guess these numbers aren't correct after all this testing. The last two misconceptions are pretty close. They both involve the drone falling out of the sky, either if the battery dies or if the drone loses the signal. There is no more signal now, the controller is off. It's just hovering there. Oh, it's turning. I guess it doesn't fall out of the sky then. Landed in the grass. And here's what happens when the drone battery goes to 0%.
Landing.
Oh wait, no, it's not going up anymore. I can't push it up. Oh, it's just landing in the grass.